Mawena ipermit yokusebenza nasekufunda kusasa. Sasa siyabuya ne-JMPD. We are going to take all your things. If you know una ipermit yokusebenza la, sasa sekufunda. Sifuna i-order la strategy. Asifuni any spiti-piti. Sifuna abantu are going to trade legally so with the right paperwork. If you know all the papers sifuna and immigration is here with us today and we must work. Must make sure we keep the city clean. Asina muntu sifuni order Japan. Mawusebenza usebenza emthethweni. But we're not going to allow anyone who's going to intimidate or fight with our people. Mawufuna ukusebenza, go and register properly and uzofakwa endaweni right ethengisayo usemthethweni. Not just anywhere. Mawubona indawo you just want to put your stand. We're not going to allow that. So tomorrow morning, if you know which on a paperwork, you must disappear. We are coming back here. We're going to be here everything until you get it right. Chabo, thank you.
I hope Bogota, this cleaning thing, Joburg is maintained throughout, man. After G20, guys, because tell me why it looks so good and clean right now. Hayi bafethu inkinga elabantu abahlala lana eTradini laba yazi Kenza yazi thina we are very clean, man. We are very clean people. Sesimoshwa nje ukuthi ama municipal offices wethu yiwa ngaclean lapha fansi bekhona. Guys, tell me why ukuthi khona manje since sezwile ukuthi G20 years Joburg is looking much more peaceful and much more clean. You know, it's a culture center khona manje and everything looks like it's in order. I mean, you know, Carlton Center. If I want to shows, if you want to make it clean, we can make it clean. No wait. Honestly speaking, you know, there's still a lot to do. And even you guys from outside, please, man, clean up after yourselves. Put things in the trash. Like this, it's as simple as that.
Guys, look at this. Normally, I wouldn't do this. Nah. Even a speed, so keep your phone. But now we're doing it. We're doing it. It's safe. JMPD is not going anywhere. This is ours. This is our country. So this is good. So it's time for everybody to go home. Yeah. There's order, there's police, it's good. But the energy here, the sentiments, hey, Abantu, they're not happy, these, the Abantu Bangapand. And it's not like Sabaluisi, we just want our home back. But they don't seem happy. They're all frowning. You can tell they're concerned. I think they must start making plans to go back home now. It's time, guys. It's very taxi. Like, this is what we want to see. Renovations are happening. You know, order is restored. Order is restored. So yeah, hey, shout out to the city of Johannesburg, man. Shout out to the JMPD. Shout out to South Africans. Shout out, Buffett. Shout out. Sesikwazi ukuhamba kamnandi, yazi. Walk nje with your phone out. You know, bheka nje. So apparently bazotshala ihlahla, they're gonna plant some trees and then kuzoba ney'hlahla and stuff. Yeah. Operation Tudula, thank you. Much and much, thank you. Siyabonga. Hayi sibonge bafethu, sibonge. Sibonge. Nabantu bamateksi. Santaka, siyabonga.